Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And if you guys want to know all the details on this lovely unit that I'm rocking, make sure you check out the iCards. But today it is all about the makeup and we are getting straight into it with eyebrows. I am just doing my normal eyebrow routine, and you guys, if you want to see an updated eyebrow routine, definitely make sure that you drop me a comment down below. I have been trying out some new products, but to outline my eyebrows, I am using the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shades Walnut and Chestnut. And I'm applying the lighter concealer towards the arch of my eyebrow just to give me a more highlighted and lifted look. And then I'm using the color Walnut that is about one shade lighter than my complexion. And I'm actually placing that towards the front of the eyebrow just so that way it is a smooth transition. And I am using a flat eyeshadow brush to blend that concealer all over the eyelid. And today I'm trying out the Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock Primer. I have been seeing this primer lately on my feed, so I decided why not give it a try and show you guys some new products. It does kind of remind me of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer when it comes to application. So it does have like that thick lipstick wand that comes with it. And then I'm doing the same technique like I would if I was using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm using my flat eyeshadow brush to blend it out. Today's look is going to be very simple but perfect for a night out. So the first color that I'm grabbing is this beautiful warm brown eyeshadow from the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. And I'm using a large fluffy eyeshadow brush to pack this on the outer corner of my eyelid in my crease section. This is going to be my transition color, and I'm just blending that across the eyelid in the outer corner. I'm focusing most of the color intensity on the outer corner of the eye and making it lighter towards the inner corner. So I'm packing on more eyeshadow on the outer corner and just blending that across the eyelid to have a nice smooth transition. And so that way it gives it a nice gradient effect. So remember you guys, when you're applying your eyeshadow, you want to pack. No swiping. Swiping will create streaks in your makeup and we don't want none of that, okay? So I'm repeating the same steps on the other side. I'm using that fluffy eyeshadow brush to apply that brown eyeshadow on the outer corner and then working my way towards the inner corner of my eye. And I'm just blending out that eyeshadow. You guys already know the key to any eyeshadow look is blending. So now I'm going to be applying the black eyeshadow on my lid to create a smoky eye. I find this method the easiest way for me to do a smoky eye without it looking cray, okay? So I'm using a small flat eyeshadow brush to pack that black eyeshadow on my eyelid. And to make this eyeshadow last longer, I'm basically going to set the black eyeshadow with a gel eyeliner. So I'm using the Mary Kay Jet Black Gel Eyeliner, and I'm taking another flat eyeshadow brush to pack that gel liner on top of the eyeshadow. Now you guys may be asking, well, Ashley, why are you doing this? Well, when I just apply the black eyeshadow by itself, it tends to kind of fade away. So the gel eyeliner kind of acts like an adhesive, or basically setting that eyeshadow in place so that way it does not move. And I am going back over the gel eyeliner with some more black eyeshadow on the flat eyeshadow brush so that way it just sets everything in place. And now it's time for the fun part. I am applying some glitter from JLarue. I will have all the products listed down below in the description box so that way you guys can know exactly what I'm using. And I did apply a little bit of eyelash glue off camera, but I mainly just packed this glitter on straight out of the product, straight out of the compact, just because I didn't want it to be super packed with glitter, but I really wanted my eyes to just shine like a diamond, honey. So now it is time to move on to the face. And you guys, this look is already popping. We don't even have the lashes on. We don't even have the foundation on, okay? So you guys already know I'm going in with my favorite primer, the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys, I'm still using the same Hydro Grip Primer that I first bought. Like, I haven't, well, maybe I bought it a second time. But you guys, anyways, that Milk Hydro Grip Primer will last you a long time, and it's definitely worth the coin. And here I'm just wiping away any eyeshadow fallout so that way I don't have that underneath my foundation. And today I'm mixing two foundations. These are the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop 24-Hour Foundations in the colors Sienna and Nutmeg. I like mixing these foundations just because it gives me that nice balance of my undertone as well as just something that matches my complexion. So I know it may look a little bit yellow on camera, but you guys, once I apply my contour and highlight, everything just comes all the way together, okay? And I'm using my Real Techniques Instapot face brush to blend out my foundation. Again, you guys, remember to pack, and no swiping, okay? So now we are moving on to my favorite parts. My favorite part is highlighting. You guys, I can't believe how much I've just grown when it comes to makeup. Like, you guys need to really go peep your girls' old videos. I was not doing all of these steps, okay? But anyways, we are highlighting with the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealers. I'm using the same two concealer shades that I used to complete my eyebrows today. So I'm going in with Walnut directly underneath the eyes, and then I'm adding in Chestnut. Just a little bit of Chestnut right underneath the eye where my waterline is, so that way I can have that nice pop of color. You guys already know I cannot hop off a video without sharing some encouragement and motivation with you guys. So lately I've just been in a season where things are starting to seem like they're falling in place for me a little bit, and I've been really having to learn how to be patient with God and His time. And so if you are also thinking about something, trying to work on something, praying about something, or just waiting for something to happen, you know, it's all in the right timing. Don't worry, don't give up. Like, things are going to happen when you least expect it, okay? You guys, I don't know if it's the blonde hair, I don't know if it's the smoky eye, but I was just really feeling this look. OMG. I cannot wait for you guys to just see the finished results, honey, okay? So here I am contouring or bronzing my face up. This is a Wet n Wild contour stick. I liked the shade, but I didn't really like the consistency of the product. As you guys can see my face, I was kind of looking at it like, I don't know. But it did blend out very nicely, I will say that. And I'm using the smaller Instapot face brush from Real Techniques to blend out that color. I definitely do like the color, but like I said, it was just something about the formula of the product that I just wasn't feeling. So I had to go on top of it with my Beauty Bakerie Brownie Bar, and I used the color in the middle to give me that nice, warm, sun-baked, glistening shade that I like with my contour. And just, ooh, look at that cheekbone. Look at that cheekbone, okay? Y'all let me know in the comments, what are your favorite steps when it comes to doing your makeup? I think I really am starting to like contouring and highlighting a whole lot more, sis, okay? So now we're just adding a little bit more drama. I am lining my bottom lash line with the Mary Kay Jet Black eyeliner. And I really love this eyeliner because it's very creamy. It's easy to work with. And when I'm lining my eyes, you guys, I'm not going all the way to the inner corner because I don't want to close my eyes off and make them look smaller than what they are. Now I am lining my lips with a brown lip liner. I really wanted the lips to be nice and neutral and have all the attention on these beautiful glistening eyes. And this is a liquid lipstick from Milani. I will have the shade listed down below. I think this is probably going to be my new favorite nude lipstick combination. And I am going to just blend those two colors together with my fingers and my lips. And I'm also going to top this lip combo off with a lip gloss from Mary Kay as well. And again, I will have everything listed down below in the description box for you guys so that you guys can get your hands on these amazing products. Alright, you all, here are the final results of this beginner-friendly, smoky, glitter eyeshadow look. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and definitely learned something new. Do not forget to drop me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up and, of course, share it with your friends so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay popping. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.